During a Communist Party meeting, Stalin is giving a speech. Suddenly, someone in the hall sneezes loudly. Everyone gasps in terror. Stalin looks sternly at the audience and asks, "Who sneezed?" Nobody confesses. Stalin claps his hands, and NKVD troops barge in, dragging the front row out and shooting them. Stalin asks again, "Who sneezed?" Still, no one confesses, so the process is repeated with the second row. After the third row is shot, an old man in the rear, a devout communist, sacrifices himself. He bravely proclaims, "I sneezed, Comrade Stalin." Stalin looks at him sternly for a moment, then says, "Bless you, Comrade," and continues with the speech.